In a previous video, I took apart a DVR, and now I'm going to be taking apart a second one just to show you the differences, I guess. So this one's mostly made out of steel instead of plastic, and I don't think it had those security screws, but I had already taken apart the front frame before and taken out the hard drive. The hard drive goes on the right. So this is what it looks like inside. And you can always watch the other video I made on taking apart the DVR. It has the picture of a DVR in the thumbnail, in the video thumbnail. So that's what it looks like inside. There's the circuit board, the main circuit board. Some funny thing there. Lots of cool stuff there. There's the back side. So I'm going to take out this steel thing that held the hard drive. There's the back piece that's also steel. There's the front, or the top, that's also steel. Then I have to remove the front plate, you have to press in at the same time these 3 plastic tabs to remove that side. And then to get the middle, you have to press in 2 more at the same time. And then 3 more at the same time to remove that end. There's a bunch of plastic tabs holding it on. And they need... Okay, look at my filthy hands. Write down in the description how disgusting I am. Okay. So, there's a piece of metal there. Got the front part removed. Okay, and then if you look underneath, you can see where this... Okay, well, there's the feet that I'll take off later. You can see where the screws are that hold on the circuit board. There's one underneath this thing, which is some kind of card thing. It says it's a security key or something. I don't know what it is, some sort of thing. There's the screw, and there's the other ones. So, I'm removing the screws that hold on the main circuit board. Isn't that fun? Make sure you subscribe. So I removed that. And now I'm trying to get the circuit board out. Gotta wiggle that out. Or try to. So, why don't we just take this opportunity real quick to subscribe, okay? So there are little things that catch onto the circuit board, little pieces of metal. See there? There's one. I have to take a thing and bend it parallel to the hole. See, it's sort of twisted steel that goes in there and holds it down. You have to kind of twist it back so it doesn't hold onto the circuit board. And then now it comes right out. So there's the main circuit board. And the other side of the main circuit board. And there's the bottom piece, which is also steel. So you push the rubber feet out. Make sure you're subscribed. You can subscribe while I'm removing the metal feet. Plastic feet. Rubber. Whatever they're made of. Do it. So there's the feet that I'm removing. There's the steel plate that makes up the bottom, and then there's the face, the front piece that I took off earlier. That's the only piece of plastic there is, really. Alright, like, you pry the circuit board out, that second circuit board, the display panel, and then throw out that piece of plastic. So let's look at what we have. Here is a strange thing. It's called a power key something. I don't know what that does, but that's one of the things that's in here. Hopefully it's valuable. There are the rubber feet and screws and things. Then there's the main circuit board with all kinds of cool components on it that are useful. The back side of the circuit board. And of course there's the hard drive, which I already removed. That's the best part. Here's the display panel. That circuit board with the display panel. And there are 2 photo transistors on it. I saw those on the other one too. Looks like DVRs have those. Those are for receiving signals, I guess. Infrared signals from the remote. There's the back side. But yeah, photo transistors, those are pretty cool. How often do you see those? And then this is the only piece of plastic junk in there. The rest of it was scrap steel. So here's all the scrap steel. Very good to have, I guess. Well, I think. And then, so the circuit board again, that thing on the left, bottom left, I'm going to open that up, show you what's in there. There's a bunch of little metal tabs going through. You have to bend them out of the way so they don't hold the lid on. I already bent most of them off video. I guess you need two hands to take it off. Alright, and underneath is some other thing, a copper thing it looks like. Made of copper. A copper sheet. And then there's what it looks like underneath. There's like some computer chips, maybe some inductors or something, and a bunch of other little things. So that's cool, I guess. Alright, and that's everything. There's a picture of it. So make sure you subscribe and also give a thumbs up. Yeah.